Bicycles aren't just about fun and traffic-free travel, they're also about business. Back in 2014, around 132 million were produced worldwide. So workshops are arming themselves with tools that speed up and simplify work. A striking example is already on the screens. Thanks to it, the tension of the spokes is measured. The tool is sold calibrated and ready to use out of the box. No consumables are needed. A table of optimum values is included. So the craftsman only has to check the spokes and verify the data. Plus, the tool is compact enough 8 by 5 inches and weighs 22 ounces so that it is easily used with one hand. You can buy the cycling assistant for $130. New from the Germans at Bosch is a cordless stapler for working with nails and staples. It is part of the 18V powerful system. That is, it allows you to install batteries from other Bosch tools from the same system and is positioned as an option for crafts and repairs. Of the interesting options the Germans offer: simple adjustment of the impact force. It is enough to turn the wheel, built-in indicators of charge and staple levels. By the way, the tool holds at once 100 staples, type 53 from 0.20 to 0.50 inches, a decent speed of 30 strokes per minute, and compactness. The stapler weighs 2.80 pounds. They also write about the intelligent system Syneon. It independently adjusts the ratio of current and voltage depending on the type of work. Thus, the owner always receives optimal efforts, but does not drain the battery in vain. The price tag for all these joys is $124. A fun solution for handling coils of cable and cable wires. If they are not delivered to the site in reels, careful unwinding can often be a challenge. That's where the claw system comes in handy. It is essentially a portable and flexibly adjustable drum available in several variants. Typically weighing 16 pounds, it is designed for a maximum cable ring diameter of 29 inches. XL weighs a little more than 21 pounds, but can work with rings with a 39-inch diameter. The load capacity of both variants is 176 pounds. They arrive at the place of work in compact bags and are assembled by one person without tools. For the regular version, you will have to pay $357. Another tool that will appeal to both amateur and professional craftsmen. The universal articulated vise is suitable for most working surfaces thanks to the integrated screw clamp and allows easy transportation and transfer between working areas thanks to its weight of 3 pounds. The clamping depth is 1.50 inches. The jaw plates are removable, allowing the width to be increased from 2.70 to 2.90 inches. In addition, the jaws are milled, which means that the pressure on the workpiece is distributed more evenly. And the swivel joints have managed to be patented. Apparently, this explains the price tag of $60. This is a simple but no less useful tool that helps you find studs, screws, and nails in drywall. It works due to two rare earth magnets and greatly simplifies work, such as mounting cabinets and shelves, allowing the most competent placement of fasteners. The basic version works without power. The advanced version requires two 3A batteries for the laser. Both versions are equipped with a bubble level, as well as recesses for easy marking with a pencil. The price tag is either $11 or $30. A tool that is sure to catch the attention of mechanics. This fork puller is used to carefully work on drive shafts, transmissions, and differentials. It will help even in neglected cases and provides a pulling force of about 11 tons, while the risk of damage to components is minimal. The manufacturer writes that the capabilities are enough for many trucks from Volvo, Kenworth, and other 6, 8-class trucks. The tool is made of stainless steel, and the number on the price tag is $500. The seller of this diamond drill bit is confident. These drills are usually bought to make holes under utilities in dry mode. That is without water cooling. Dry mode reduces the load on the craftsman and helps, for example, in work on objects with finishing. The drill is also suitable for reinforced concrete and is available in outside diameters from 1.60 to 6 inches and lengths of 11 and 17 inches. A similar version is 12 inches long. The manufacturer writes that the diamond grains in the segment are equidistantly spaced, and the segment itself is laser welded. We'll drill through anything, the seller adds, and asks for between $80 and $160 depending on specifications. In 2017, DeWalt promised a very interesting new product, a brushless, cordless cable stripper and wire stripper tool, and they kept their promise. It is already on the shelves and costs $85 separately and $462 in a set, with a case, 20 sleeves, battery, and charger. The essence of the tool is to remove insulation from THHN-type cable. It is used, for example, in machine tools and control circuits, and XHHW is used in conduit or piping to organize supply lines. Stripping capabilities are 380 square millimeters for copper cable and 456 square millimeters for aluminum cable. The speed of the direction of rotation is adjustable. In case of jamming, the system and clutch will help and protect the tool from overloading. Is it realistic to patent a wrench? The developers of this beauty succeeded, and anyone can appreciate their efforts, because the wrench is already on the shelves. The idea is simple. Ordinary wrenches are sold in large sets, heavy and forced to constantly divert for replacement, because the size of conventional nuts often have to determine by eye. The same model offers two versions that cover fastener sizes from 0.20 to 0.50 and 0.50 to 0.70 inches. Fasteners can be clamped on 6 sides thanks to extendable segments. This prevents edges from being rounded, plus the wrenches can even handle rusted and oxidized fasteners. Universal size for large and small hands, and soft, shock-absorbing inserts. Combines the versatility of an adjustable wrench with the simplicity of pliers, the seller assures. Priced at $33 and $35 for the wrenches individually, or $65 for the set. Another representative of the family of compact cordless tools, nailed a hammer gun, suitable for concrete, steel, and masonry projects. A gas mixture is used for work. One magazine is enough for 30 shots, one charge for 10,000. The weight of the gun is 7 pounds. Thanks to good balance, it reduces hand and wrist fatigue. Also managed to reduce the level of vibration, and work compared to other methods of installation will go almost dust-free. In addition, you can work at temperatures from -15 to +49 degrees Celsius, and the noise level will not exceed 91 decibels. The figure on the price tag is $855. On the screens is not just a knife, but an innovative tool. 2-in-1 convinces its creators. Without a patent did not do without. It was given for the switching mechanism that makes from a knife scraper and vice versa with one finger press, and on the reverse side added everyone's favorite opener, allegedly for paint cans. It turns out to be a very versatile tool, allowing you to remove stickers and cut something like carpeting. Plus, it comes with 5 universal blades. The tool weighs about 10 ounces, and the non-slip handle and safety button will make the work safer. You'll have to look in your wallet for $24. Want to literally take your work to the next level? An Italian company has a solution, an electric lifting cart that self-corrects the center of gravity. Wheeled and tracked models are available in 150 and 200-pound capacities. The width of 58 centimeters allows maneuvering even on narrow stairs. Approximate climbing speed is 27 or 47 steps per minute. The battery lasts for 400 steps. As a result, it is a good solution for delivery services and appliance repairmen. Descend to load, for example, a washing machine can now be done by one person. Except that to save up for such a purchase will have to long. You will need about $6,000.